Hey guys, I'm for breakfast and obviously उठ गया जल्दी आज, जैसे कि डिसाइड किया था कि जल्दी उठूँगा जल्दी पहुँच जाऊँगा। बाकी लोग अभी मेरे को वही मिलेंगे ब्रेकफास्ट करते हुए। चलो गाइस स्टार्ट। ये जल्दी उठ गया, ब्रेकफास्ट एंड नाउ लिविंग फूड। हेलो हेलो। हाँ अब सीटी बजवाऊंगा। तो गाइस 2 दिन हम लेट आए थे, आज 40 मिनट पहले आ गए, 30 मिनट पहले आ गए हैं। और अगर 9:30 मान के चले तो 45 मिनट पहले आ गए। अब अगले ओके, तो कल हमारे फर्स्ट लेक्चर आ रहे थे, उन्होंने बोला था नवी मुंबई से यहाँ तक आ जाता हूँ तुम्हारे लिए।
Look at who's saying that. Yeah, that's why she started laughing all over. Okay, all right. Okay,
She had so much addicted.
yeah, I can see that. His hand is also being enjoyed. All right. I hope they're not haunting you by talking their own voice. All right, great. So the only non-engineer in the group, okay?
I enjoy dancing.
Okay, all right. And have you learned anything?
Yeah.
That's not unique. In art.
Or you didn't anticipate that, right? ठीक है ना, वो यूनिक बना लिया है. It's okay for them, you know, as of now. You have a blog. Okay, all right. Would you want to share the details about it with everyone later? Yeah, all right. Yes, sir.
IIT को डाल देना बस।
Alright, we are infinity. Whom would you want to invite next? That would revenge you are taking on this, yeah? You thought this should be the next.
Once more.
Seriously, I was scared. I mean, the boards also. Oh. Let's applaud for that, huh? I was like, no, what is he planning to show? Alright. Have you decided a unique thing for everyone? Or was it-
You are the government employee. It is very government.
Who? Sir, क्यों? मन नहीं लगा. All right, very nice. I'm happy that you are. Anything else? I think that's it.
He works out for 3 years a day.
3 hours. He used to, right? Past tense होगा. अभी भी? Why is it 3 hours to work out?
Not in 1
yeah. From college, I work not 3 hours a day, but I do this subject.
आपको देख के लगता है Wait, let's clap for all the Sharks, okay, yeah, sharks. Thank you, all the sharks. And who do you want to listen to next? What is it, sorry? Trident. Okay, alright. And the unique things and the common things, what have you discussed?
First common thing is we don't have time.
You don't have pets. Okay. आप उनको समझा रहे हो मतलब बता रहे हो डरा रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया but okay they don't have pets okay
And second, we all like Jackie Chan.
oh okay all right कुछ तो भी express किया ना something season का something I haven't watched and the last one
We all are
you all are asking जबरदस्ती हाँ बुलवाया and unique thing
झूठ ऐसा बोलो कि पकड़ में ना आए. Unique thing is we have a blogger in our group.
Blogger and
wow very nice okay so what will you teach us in this session today now blogging मुझे साइड में बैठा दोगे और इनका सेशन सुनने लगोगे okay all right thank you so much bro thank you for sharing the comments before you all get more crazy
मतलब अपने में वो पार्ट ऐड कर देते हैं इंस्टाग्राम
From there.
so that you all heard the other group
टेक्स आउट हिज साइकिल फिर साइकिलिंग में फिर वो गया साइकिल चलाने 5 मिनट साइकिल चलाई और फिर उसको ये पेड़ दिख गए और इसको
वो मजे करने लगे. अब साइकिल को चलो बता भाई क्या हुआ.
भाई यार थोड़ा इशू हो गया माइक नहीं है हमारे पास माइक का वेट कर रहे हैं
अभी प्रोफेशनल एकदम क्रेजी स्टोरी टेलिंग होगी. रमेश की
Does anybody want story? And we're also going to vote which story is the best story and who wins. I don't
Chalo,
know
bhai.
the goodie that you are going to get, but let's see who wins. Alright, so we have the first group.
So it's a story about Ramesh. So Ramesh पहले he used to be बहुत active and all. He used to work in Mumbai. रोज सुबह umbrella लेके जाता था बाहर. But then his office went in work from home. So बेड में बैठा रहता था. Meetings खोल के अपना मस्त goggles लगा के बैठा रहता था. Reels scroll करता रहता था. Then one day he got a reel that okay I should be healthy. People are healthy. So he got a reel of how to be healthy. तो उसने सोचा कि अच्छा सैलेड्स फ्रूट्स वगैरह खाता हूँ बट देन ही एंडेड अप ईटिंग इतना सारा फूड्स ही अगेन गॉट सो फैट एंड ऑल लेजी तो वापस वो ही एंडेड अप इन द बेड देन ही थॉट ओके फ्रूट से नहीं हुआ अब आई शुड गो साइकिलिंग एंड ऑल तो ही ट्राइड कि साइकिलिंग पे चलते हैं ये वो ही वेंट ऑन साइकिलिंग 5 मिनट साइकिल करा बट देन ही फाउंड दिस प्रिटी फ्लावर्स एंड ट्रीज चेरी ब्लॉसम तो उसने साइकिल अपनी वहीं खड़ी कर दी एंड अगेन एंडेड अप इन द सेम पोज वाचिंग द फ्लावर्स एंड बीइंग ऑन बेड सो एनीथिंग यू कैन एंड दैट्स हाउ
आपका किस्सा बता रहे हैं Alright, good. Thank you, Guru, for sharing your story. Any title that you would want to give to the story?
रमेश द चैंपियन.
रमेश का कमबैक
Ramesh ka comeback. Ramesh ka comeback was the name of the story. So thank you, Guru, for sharing that.
कम बैक हो नहीं पाया.
नहीं हुआ हमारे ग्रुप से जैसे
People are not listening. Be loud.
There was a bright white room with a gaming PC, and you might be wondering that maybe it's some stock market expert or something, but this room belongs to Vipul Pandey. And he's ready with his thing sunglasses because he's going on a date With this date's name is Raju. And he has said that he will go there with a gift, a fruit salad. When he's about to reach the date, he sees an umbrella. And it is no other but Raju with some other dog in there. Cycle is kept there. And he takes it and went to Japan. So enjoy his life.
And like she lives alone in a room, like she was in a land forever, like say Japan, whatever it is. So one day she lives very everything. So one day she felt lonely and she bought a puppy. Okay, and she considers the puppy as her family. She lives in her. Okay, so one day she took it for a walk. Like they go regularly to walk near cherry blossoms. So while going, the puppy suddenly ran away from her, and a boy near helped her stop the puppy and return it to her. So they got connected and fell in love.
Okay.
So after a few days, the boy suddenly came and returned and told like, we won't work out, like let's break up. So she felt sad and knelt down and started crying, and she doesn't want anyone to see her crying, so she covered herself with an umbrella on the road. But suddenly, like she has the puppy now, so she get out of that for everything. But after some time, the puppy suddenly died in an accident.
Typical slice of life. यही होता है.
So it took quite a while for her to recover, and after some time, like whenever she remembers the puppy, she goes on a cycle to the place where she took the puppy to the walk, which is nothing but cherry blossom. Like there is.
So the moral of the story is the girl loves the puppy more than the guy.
No, like all alone, like you
तो डाई होगी ना.
yes, that
So the cycle of the story.
all alone. Ashki for
Many cars are going to come. Okay, let's clap for.
Not bad, not bad. Now you.
Guy named Bunty, and he's working in his office. The photo is we can see. So, but he is fed up of his work. So, and he has a dog named Tiku Badmash.
Okay.
And he decided that he wants to play hide and seek with his dog. So he went out, and then he hid under an umbrella, and we can see his feet under the umbrellas. But someone, a guy, came in with a cycle, and he had some fruits in his hand. The dog was out searching for his owner, but he offered the dog the fruits, and the dog came to him. He took away the dog, and the owner kept hiding, and the dog was kidnapped. That's